The previous video was based on the formulas of exponent. Clear? Now, those who have really gone through that particular video of formula, I am sure they would be able to solve all these sums of exercise 2b. Selena. Exponent. And we are going to start from number 9, where they are asking us to evaluate. Okay, what evaluate? To evaluate x to the power 5 plus n multiplied by x square whole to the power 3n plus 1 divided by x to the power 7n minus 2. The first most important thing is to copy the question clearly and neatly. Okay, come on, let's see. So here what I find that this particular x has a power 2, and again it has been raised to power 3n plus 1. So power over power will get multiplied. So the whole 3n plus 1 will get multiplied by this particular 2. Clear? Come on. Now this 7n plus 1 is one of them, is one of the power. X to the power 5 plus n, fine. X to the power, I told you that the whole will be multiplied by 2. So 3 2s are 6n plus 2 divided by x to the power 7n minus 2. And here this is what we wanted. All of these terms have the same base. Therefore, since these two are in multiplication form, their powers will be added, and this is in division form, its power will be subtracted. Therefore, I can write this as x to the power 5 plus n plus 6n plus 2 minus, since you are giving a negative sign over here, therefore this 7n minus 2 should be in bracket. Clear? If you do not want to put this into bracket, it's better you multiply with negative sign while writing. Okay, so my problem will be 5 plus n plus 6n plus 2 minus 7n plus 2. Good. Let's see what do we get. So let's see, my dear, this is my 5 plus 2 7. Clear? 7 plus 2 9. So x to the power 9. Now 6n plus n equal to 7n and minus 7n. So this will get cancelled. Plus 7n minus 7n will get cancelled, and here you have x to the power 9 as your solution. Okay, come to number 10. These all sums should be dealt slowly. Okay, this is nothing big in running very fast. Okay, because we are, or here the video is not made for any other purpose, only to teach you people. Okay, again we have evaluate. Number 10, evaluate. So we shall deal in the same method. X a to the power 2n plus 1 multiplied by a to the power 2n plus 1 multiplied by 2n minus 1 divided by a to the power n 4n minus 1 a square 2n plus 3. So here you people can see that this is in multiplication form. Okay, here also we have these two powers are in multiplication form. Here also they are in multiplication form. So why not to solve? Why not to multiply first? Come on. So we'll get a to the power. We are going to shorten it. A to the power 2n plus 1. Very good. Now multiplied by a to the power. Do you remember? A plus b multiplied by a minus b. is equal to a square minus b square. Please go through the previous video. A square minus b square. So 2n square will be 4n square and minus 1 square equal to minus 1 only. Come on. Here we have a to the power. Let me multiply. Both of them will get multiplied. 4n square minus n into minus 1 is equal to minus n. Similarly, a to the power 2 2s are 4n plus 4n plus 3 2 times 6. Now, if you have done your task till here, then our problem becomes about 50% easier. How? Let's see. These two will get multiplied, this will get subtracted, this will also get subtracted. So I am going to compile in one line only. Come on. A to the power 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1 plus 4n square minus 1 minus 4n square minus n, because this was in division form, again minus 4n plus 6. So my dear, this will give you a to the power 2n plus 1 plus 4n square minus 1 minus 4n square minus into minus plus n minus 4n and minus 6. Now it's time to cancel. Time to simplify it. See, this will get simplified because it has no use. Similarly, minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled. Now let me see if something more will get cancelled. 2n plus n is equal to 3n minus 4n. Therefore, a to the power minus n, 3n minus 4n minus n minus 6. So a to the power, I can take minus over here, and this will give you n plus 6. Now, if you have a negative exponent, you can convert this into positive by converting this into its reciprocal, a to the power n plus 6. Please look into the other videos. Okay, just few sums are there. Number 11 states that solve m plus n whole to the power minus 1 multiplied by m to the power minus 1 plus n to the power minus 1 is equal to m n to the power minus 1. Okay, they are asking us to prove. So here prove, prove that this left hand side is equal to your right hand side. So we shall start solving. Okay, now this whole m plus n to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by m plus n, because if here you would get a to the power minus 1, you would have written it as, in order to convert this into positive value, you will have to convert this into its reciprocal. Okay, multiplied by, have a look here in this particular bracket, m to the power minus 1 will give you 1 by m plus 1 by n. Okay, now have a look, 1 by m plus n multiplied by, now when you solve this, the LCM of m and n will be m into n. M into n divided by m will give you n, and m into n divided by n will give you m. Okay, fine. Now have a look, this is m plus n over here. Here also you have m plus n. Either this is n plus m or m plus n is same. So this will get cancelled. So let's cancel. And here you are going to get 1 by m into n. 1 by m into n. 1 by m into n. And if you want to bring it to the numerator, if you want this m into n to bring on top, okay, in the numerator, so this will become m into n to the power minus n. Now have a look, if you have m into n, mn to the power minus 1, you can convert this into its reciprocal by changing in this way. Similarly, if you have this particular number, you can convert this into its numerator in this particular way, or you can convert it into its negative in this way. Clear? Come on. Time is less and our work is more. Okay. Prove. Again you have prove. Come on. So let's prove. Okay. These proof are very easy. X to the power a by x to the power b whole to the power 1 by ab. Fine. X to the power b by x to the power c whole to the power 1 by bc multiplied by x to the power c by x to the power a 1 by c into a is equal to 1. They are asking us to prove. So we will prove. Okay, of course we will prove. Now, this x to the power a by x to the power b can be written as x to the power a minus b. Okay, they are in division. Now, this again here, okay, we shall do it, you can say, in the next step, otherwise you will get confused. X to the power b minus c whole multiplied by 1 by bc and x to the power c minus a whole to the power 1 by c into a. What we had done over here, we did to the other. Okay, now have a look. Here we get x by a minus b by ab, x by b minus c by bc, and x by c minus a as ca. Now all these powers will be multiplied because the base is same. Okay, come on. So we have the right to add all these powers. X to the power a minus b by ab plus b minus c by bc and x plus c minus a by ca. Now the LCM of AB, BC and CA. Now forget this. LCM of AB, BC and CA will be ABC. Have a look. Okay. This also we shall see. AB here, AB, BC and CA. So if you divide this by A, you will get B, B, C, C. Now if you divide by B, you will get 1, 1, C, C. And again if you divide by C, you will get 1, 1. So A into B into C. So x to the power, my dear, x to the power, what are we going to get? Here my LCM will be A, B, C. A, B, C, when divided by A, B, you will get C. So A minus B should be multiplied by C. A minus B. Similarly, B minus C should be multiplied by A, that is B minus C, and C minus A should be multiplied by B. B, C minus A. Good? Come on. On solving this, okay, on solving this. So let's solve. So on solving this, we'll get x to the power, I hope you people are able to see, CA. When you multiply CA, please write AC because A took birth first. We arrange it according to the alphabet. C into B equal to minus BC. Similarly, plus AB minus AC plus BC and minus AB. See, the answer is in front of you. People, minus AB and plus AB will get cancelled. Plus BC minus BC will get cancelled, and minus AC and AC will get cancelled. So what? Do not run. You people will get x to the power 0, and whenever any variable or any number is raised to the power 0, its value is 1. Okay, come on. So this doesn't mean that after cancelling you write x to the power 1. Okay, that will create a big confusion. Okay, once again we have an important sum. Okay, have a look. 1 by 1 plus x to the power a minus b plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power b minus a. They are asking us to prove this as 1. Okay, now Here you will have to remember that this a minus b can be written as x to the power a by x to the power b, when x to the power a by x to the power b can be written as x to the power a minus b. So why not the other way? 1 by 1 plus x to the power b by x to the power a. I hope you understood this, and this is the most important part over here. If you do not, then in that case you will find yourself in trouble. Okay, now have a look how I am going to solve this. 1 by, here you have 1, okay, similarly here you have 1. Now when you take the LCM as x to the power b, what are you going to get? You will get here as x to the power b, this is your LCM. Here you will get x to the power b plus x to the power a, clear? Plus 1 by, similarly if I take this LCM as x to the power a, I'll get x to the power a plus x to the power b. Because when x to the power a is divided by 1, you will get x to the power a, and x to the power a multiplied by 1, you will get x to the power a. Clear? Come on, let's see. Let's shorten it. Now 1 by this, 1 by a by b. So 1 divided by a by b means 1 multiplied by b by a, or this x to the power b will move up. So here you will get x to the power b plus x to the power a divided by no sir, x to the power b divided by x to the power b plus x to the power a. Come on, once again. Here you will get x to the power a by x to the power a plus x to the power b. Again you will have to take LCM over here, because you can see the denominator is same. Therefore x to the power b plus x to the power a will be my LCM. Okay, so here you will get x to the power b plus x to the power a. I find that both this numerator and denominator are same, therefore it will get cancelled. For this particular sum you will have to use your pen and paper at least twice or thrice. Okay, only then you will be able to solve these particular kind of sums. Okay, now in 13 we have find the values. Number 13 we have find the values, find values. So I'll do only one of them. For example, the first one, 12 to the power, 12 to the power minus 5 into 12 to the power 2n plus 1 is equal to 12 to the power 13 divided by 12 to the power 7. Fine. We can find the values of n, unknown values. Find the value of n. And how are we going to find the values of n? By comparing their powers, because I can see that their base is same. So when the base is same, you can write this as 12 to the power minus 5 plus 2n plus 1, because they are in multiplication form. Similarly, 12 to the power 13 minus 7, because they are in division form. Now when the base is same, when bases are same, the power will be same. So on comparing, do not cancel, please do not cancel these 12. Okay, we are comparing. On comparing, we get minus 5 plus 2n plus 1 is equal to 13 minus 7. Okay, let me write over here and then we shall solve. Minus 5 plus 1 is equal to minus 4 plus 2n is equal to 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. So 2n will be equal to 6 plus 4, or n will be equal to, your n will be equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5 as your answer. See how beautifully this all can be solved. Similarly, since I told you people that I will not solve, you can say the other sums, but I will solve, okay, one of them, so that nothing, no sort of confusion remains in your brain. Okay, in number 2 we have a to the power, so we shall apply the same trick. 2n minus 3 multiplied by a to the power 2, a means a square, n plus 1. Okay, a to the power 4 minus 3 is equal to a to the power 3, again raised to the power 3 divided by a to the power 6 raised to the power minus 3. So come on, here my dear, let's first simplify this. How? a to the power 2n minus 3 plus this means plus 2n plus 2. I have multiplied this whole n plus 1 with 2, and then here you are going to get minus 12. 4 into minus 3 minus 12. So this minus 12, since it is in division form, it will move up and it will become plus 12. Okay, plus 12. See, I saved lots of paper. Come on. Similarly, here you have a to the power 9. a to the power 3 3s are 9, and here you have 6 into minus 3. So 6 into minus 3 is equal to minus 18. Now it is in division form. So this minus 18 will change to plus 18. See, I am changing the color. Plus 18. Okay. Here you have minus 18. Therefore, it will become plus 18. Minus plus. Now a to the power. Since on comparing, we are comparing. Okay. We do not have the liberty to cancel these bases. 2n minus 3 plus 2n plus 2 plus 12 is equal to a plus 18. 2n plus 2n is equal to 4n minus 3 plus 2. So minus 3 plus 2 is equal to how much? Minus 1 plus 12 equal to plus 11 is equal to am I doing something wrong? Of course, here this is 9. Okay, so 9 plus 18 is equal to how much? 27. I wrote a, so I am very sorry for that. 4n is equal to 27 minus 11 is equal to 16. Therefore a will be, or you can say n will be equal to 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. So you people can see that how we can solve these sums applying all the. Moving on to number 14, what we have, let's see, number 14. 14 we have similar type of sums, simplify. Okay, so the very word simplify means to reduce it to the smallest form. Okay, and what it is, they have given us a to the power 2n minus 3 plus 3 multiplied by a to the power 2n plus 1 n plus 2 divided by a to the power 3 2n plus 1 into a to the power n 2n plus 1. Now first let us multiply a to the power 2n plus 3. Now a to the power, when you multiply these two, what are you going to get? When you will multiply this, how are you going to multiply? I hope you have forgotten. Okay, so please do remember how to multiply. First you will have to multiply each of these terms by 2n first, and then with 1 later on. So you will get a to the power, what are you going to get? We will get a to the power 2n square plus 5n plus 2, fine, divided by a to the power 3 2 times 6n plus 3 a to the power, here have a look what we have. We have 2n plus 1. So we'll get 2n square plus n. Now these two are in multiplication form, therefore their powers will be added. So let me reduce it to a single term, that is 2n plus 3 plus 2n square plus 5n plus 2. Okay, now the problem lies here. Now minus 6n plus 3. So minus 6n plus 3 means minus 6n, minus 6n and minus 3. And again we have minus 3. Okay, now again this will move up. So minus 2n square plus n will give you minus 2n square and minus n, minus n. Okay, now let's see what do we get after reduction. So 2n square will get cancelled. Okay, have a look. Minus 6n minus n will give you minus 7n, and here we have plus 7n. Here we have plus 7. So this also gets cancelled. Okay, fine. Plus 3 minus 3 also gets cancelled, and we are left with a to the power 2a square as our final solution. A to the power 2 as our final solution. Okay. One sum is left, so why to leave it? Okay, so that you people do not say later on that one sum was left or you were not able to solve it. Okay, but none of these questions will come. All the datas will be changed. X to the power 2n plus 7 multiplied by x to the power 2 whole to the power 3n plus 2. Come on, x to the power 4 2n plus 3. Shall we solve? Come on, let's solve. X to the power 2n plus 7, we are just multiplying the powers. X to the power 3 2s are 6n plus 4. Power over power gets multiplied. X to the power 4 2n plus 3. Sorry, if we were multiplying, why did I leave this? X to the power 4 2s are 8n plus 4 3s are 12. Okay, this will give us x to the power 2n plus 7 plus 6n plus 4, while this particular power will you can say will move up and its sign will change, minus 8n and minus 12. Okay, let's see what are we going to get. 6n plus 2n, 6 7 8 and minus 8n gone. Come on, plus 7 plus 4, so plus 7 plus 4, x to the power plus 11 minus 12 is equal to x to the power minus 1. And how do you change the negative exponent, not a negative exponent, exponent with a negative, a base with a negative exponent as positive? So here I'll get x1 by x. Okay, please go through the formula again and again and again. Okay, this is a platform where you will get time to really learn something online.